Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to swap cryptocurrencies in Coinbase Wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, we're going to go to your Coinbase application before you go to your Coinbase Wallet to transfer all your funds and cryptocurrencies. Now, if you have already done that, you can skip forward, but if you have not, then simply click on the crypto section on the home page and then click on the Solana or whatever cryptocurrency that you might have. Then from there, you're going to click on transfer and then you're going to click on send. From here, it will show you multiple options, but one of them will clearly say Coinbase Wallet. Once you click on that, it will send the amount of money or cryptocurrency to your Coinbase Wallet. Then we can go to Coinbase Wallet itself. Now that we are right here in the wallet, we're going to simply go to our crypto. And then from here, it will show whatever crypto we have, but simply you can click on swap. And then from here, once you add your crypto to your wallet, then it's going to showcase exactly like this, where you're going to exchange whatever cryptocurrency you might have to whatever else that you desire, such as Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and whatever. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.